Today we have been sent these earphones. No, not these ones, but rather these fascinating ELECOM giant size full range earphones. Now okay, these are in fact wired speakers. They are 6 or more times bigger than regular earphones that should be capable of producing a wide range of sound, that is once they are connected via that 3.5mm connection. I mean, the box itself, guys, is absolutely huge. A giant size earphone box, basically. But yeah, let's head inside and see what we get. Wow, this packaging is something else, guys. Whew. You don't have to worry about these earphones being transported, that's for sure. Alright, so we've got some simple instructions. Yes, a how to use guide. Let's open it up a bit further. Oh my god! Look at the size of the earphones! They're massive! Wow, I've got to say, they look real cool. Again, a lot of cardboard packaging though. Oh well, let's get rid of it, and let's get to it. Let's unwrap the earphones. Whew, now they're unwrapped, I've got to say, these earphones absolutely look amazing. Look, you even get a giant size volume control module, with that volume slider and a power button included too. Absolutely stunning. So when it comes to the connections, as mentioned, you can connect these ELECOM earphones to your device via that L-shaped 3.5mm adapter. But I will note that you will however need a power source. So to power these earphones, you will need to connect your own Type-C USB cable, which doesn't unfortunately come with this package, which is kind of a shame. But let's have a closer look at the 4.7-inch speakers themselves. Now these particular ELECOM speakers, they do have full range drivers with a glass fibre cone with included passive radiators to the rear, which should for these speakers provide some stunning bass. Fingers crossed. So they are indeed protected by 2 supplied foam ear tips. I've got to say the attention to detail really makes these earphones stand out. And that is in comparison to the actual real size ELECOM earphones. Yes, you can actually get these in real size too. That's a very big fraction of the price as well. So yeah, they are fully made out of ABS molded plastic, matte black in colour with highly polished gold driver shells. Ooh. Now we are supplied with 2 handy cork earphone stands. Both earphones can be placed at a variety of angles once the cork stand is slid between both driver shell and the foam ear tip, making them ideal to place around your home and cushion any surface vibrations once music is playing. Let's go ahead and plug them in, turn them on and see what the audio is like with those 4.2 watt speakers. Interesting. So yes, the speakers, they are very punchy, but I do now know why those cork stands are supplied. If you don't have them, it will simply rattle around your surfaces. So yes, keep them in place, and because we are testing the volume right now at 100% maximum volume, all I can say is that the bass does sound just above average. But what is noticeable is the clarity. Clarity is really good with these speakers. Nice and pristine sound that again, the volume can be adjusted either by your device or simply sliding that volume slider on that volume control module. Clarity between both of those drivers are fantastic. Those passive radiators do actually supply these speakers with fantastic treble, pin drop low tones, and the mid-range is not too overpowering, so yes, perfect audio levels. Now, out of most speakers that I've reviewed, I really couldn't wait to open this today, and I've got to say overall, for the price, well, I really think that these giant earphones slash speakers would be an amazing ornament to have within, say, your lounge or living room, and I think that guests would immediately double take once they enter that room. They certainly stand centre of attention, and although in the past I have seen a few quirky gimmicks and gadgets, I wouldn't put this in that category, and I definitely feel that these earphones, if you want to call them quirky, are one of the best fun to use gadgets I've personally tested out. Okay, they're not Bluetooth or anything like that, they are indeed wired earphones after all, but I personally did have real fun unboxing them, and I most certainly will be keeping them. I really do love them. If I was to rate them, I'm gonna give these speakers/earphones a rating of 10 out of 10. Everything down to the design, the packaging, even though yes, there's lots of cardboard that's going to be wasted afterwards. I do think it's absolutely stunning and would be a perfect gift for anyone, especially any audio freaks. They definitely did win me over after all. Well yeah, there you go, big giant size massive earphones. And if you want them as an ornament or as a fun little gadget to have around your home, well you can check that link out in the video description. Please go check it out, and if you like what you see, well why not go get yours. Now while you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you like this video today. Please make sure though to subscribe to this channel, making sure to remember to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated upon my new uploads. Now this has been a really good review, I've enjoyed recording this video today, and I hope to be doing some more fascinating tech reviews coming real soon, in the next few days in fact, so stay tuned for them. Well yeah guys, as usual, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!